and thanks for joining me today. If you're new on my channel, then make sure to subscribe, and if not, welcome back. So today I will review perfume by Kilian that is called Playing with the Devil, and I'm really excited because I like Kilian's perfumes a lot. I remember back in the days when I started playing with niche perfumes seriously, my boyfriend bought Forbidden Games for me and I was obsessed. Unfortunately, right now they are sold to Estee Lauder, so I'm not sure if Kilian is gonna reformulate some scents or not, but there are still some great perfumes in that line. And today I will unbox Playing with the Devil. This is a brand new fragrance that my mom's best friend bought just yesterday because of me, actually. She came 2 years ago or 1 year ago, I'm not sure, and my mom showed her the sample that I gave to my mom of this perfume and she loved it. So we went to the store and she bought it, and right now she came back and repurchased it again. So this is the old bottle. There is not a lot that is left in here. She brought it with her and we went to the store and I showed her a lot of perfumes, but she was really overwhelmed and she was like, no, I'm gonna purchase this again. So yeah, I'm kind of unboxing it right now. This is a big, huge, really elegant box, as you can see, but box is not that interesting because look at this. Like, this is so glamorous. Kilian's packaging is always on point. Yes, it is really pricey. Every perfume is expensive, but for example, this white collection has this amazing clutch, I'm not sure how's it called in English, with this golden snake, and it is just really luxurious. When you open it, ta-da! It is just so expensive and truly niche looking, and I really love their packaging a lot and the quality. So this is just such a beautiful way to store your perfume if you don't mind this pretty bulky and heavy clutch box. Not sure how you call it in English, but yeah, anyway, this is how the perfume looks. Actually, I asked my mom's friend Masha if it is alright that I will open it on camera, and she was like, yeah, I don't care because I need to open it anyway to transport it. So yeah, this is how the glorious packaging looks. I just really wanted to show it to you, but I will spray the actual perfume that she uses right now once again on my skin so I can tell you how it opens. And it is such a magnificent opening of tart fruits. I wore it yesterday to work all day long. I sprayed really generously this scent so I can give you a proper review. So I gave it a real wear test, and right now this opening is just to die for. It smells like perfumed fruits, and I mean it in a really nice way because it is pretty realistic. It is the scent of fruits, tart and ripe ones, but I like that it still has that perfume touch. You know, it does not really smell like pure fruity oil or something. So it is really glamorous, and it really changes, becoming more sensual and opulent and floral, but I like that that fruitiness stays there till the very end, and it is a very long-lasting scent, believe me. So the opening smells of peaches. It smells of black currant, which is more berry and more sweetish sour. There is the note of sweet blood orange, which is not really too citrusy, and there is the note of lychee, and I actually noticed that I enjoy perfumes with lychee a lot. So there is also kind of like a peppery moment going on, which is so subtle, but it makes this perfume really flirty and not just like simple fruity floral perfume. Note of rose and jasmine create a nice floral accord, and the base just rounds the scent with patchouli, sandalwood, cedarwood, vanilla, benzene and tonka. So this scent is surely on the sweet feminine side, and yes, it is very fruity, but I love that this fruitiness, that sweet juicy fruitiness, is never cloying or overwhelming or synthetic rubbery smelling as it can be in a lot of fragrances. I like that this fragrance also transforms on the skin. I enjoy that it smells super summery in the beginning, but then it just shows its sexy, flirty character. And in the very, very dry down, there is some powdery moment that reminds me of velvety, peachy skin. And I like that that powdery moment appears only in the dry down, and through the whole development of the scent there is this prominent juiciness and even some freshness, but the fragrance itself is surely on the sweet side. And I find that yes, it is feminine, but it is such a glamorous, easy to wear perfume. My mom's friend told me that she wears it just on the daily basis. If she is a bit overwhelmed by her really niche perfume, special ones, she wears this one, because I personally find that that is because this perfume has this mass appealing character. It is a very, very easy to like perfume. It is appealing to everybody just because it has this sunny, happy effect, but it is better than designer perfumes. It has this designer touch because it is very mass appealing, but yet unique and very long lasting, and just it is very pleasant to wear it. It proved to me that it is a very satisfying perfume. I applied it, I don't know, like really early in the morning, like 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 a.m. and I could smell it till 4 p.m. and I enjoyed it very much. It has this freshness of fruits, but there is also sweetness, and it is super like harmoniously blended. So yeah, this is surely a winner for me. Very easygoing perfume with a rich, juicy character, and I recommend it to women who love fruity scents with a sensual, opulent character. To be honest with you, if I needed to describe it really quickly and simple, I would say that it smells like if you take most exotic fruits and berries and you create a juice of them, and then you take most tropical floral notes and you create a juice of them too, and then you mix both juices and create this delicious cocktail. This is the cocktail of exotic and tropical fruits and flowers, and that's for I really like it, and it is great for summer. It is also great for winter. It is a winner, and actually I loved it so much that I am seriously thinking that I will just buy this rest of my mom's friend, because it's really good and it is just a perfume that makes you happy on the daily basis. And that's probably all for this review. I hope that you enjoyed it. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out a lot. You cannot even imagine how much. And don't forget to leave me a comment below if you're familiar with Playing with the Devil by Kilian, and if not, what is your most favorite perfume by Kilian, because I'm sure that my audience is familiar with this popular niche line, which I like very much and which is known around the world. So I'm really looking forward to your comments. Let's chat. And that's all. I post 5 times a week, so it is really worth it to subscribe to my channel, click notification bell so you will be the first one who is going to be updated about my new cool video. And that's all. Stay tuned, smell good, and we'll see each other next one really soon. Bye guys.